Oh, she's a baby kitty cat. Yes, she is. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, she's just a baby. Okay. Today I am going to find my circular saw. Yes, and are you going to help me find it? Because you're real good at looking through small areas. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to look outside in the storage. I don't think it's there. I don't know what's over here except a cute little kitty cat. There's another little kitty cat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, my goal is to put all the non-tool related stuff over here. Which a lot of this stuff I'm going to get rid of. A lot of it's empty boxes that I'll use for stuff. But it's a mess. And I'm looking for my tool, my circular saw, which I'm not going to buy another one because I know I have it. I just don't know where it's at. So this is a mess. I know, baby. I know. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, what a baby she is. She likes being petted. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, my mess. I want to find my circular saw. It's Friday. I'm not even doing DoorDash or anything today. I'm just, trying to do something today. DoorDash, I'm getting kind of discouraged because of, all the traffic, of course, and, kids getting in and out of school during those times, people getting off work, traffic's crazy, so I'm not doing as much DoorDash, but just because I'm getting to the point where I don't even want to get out and drive, hardly at all now. And so anyway, I'm trying to reduce the glare in the glasses, but that's, Anyway, so I'm going to try and find my circular saw, and I'll let you know if I find it. All right. Okay, I found my circular saw in my storage shed, but you see how the power cords are, and I've got duct tape, and this is an old saw. I've been using it for years. I'll retape it. I'll take all this tape off and take a look at it. But it's an old Black & Decker. It's been in the storage for a while, but it's a Black & Decker. I don't know if you can see it now. It's in focus. Circular saw. $12 amps. It's an oldie but goodie. Look at the blade on that thing. So, and I tried to clean this up a little bit. I have stuff in here, and I found this circular saw in this. It's hand and power tool. So I did try to at least label things, and I tried to get at least organized, and I got my little watering bucket there for my bamboo, and got these sawhorses I've used. This ramp for when I had a pickup truck and I put my little scooter on it. Old bicycle I found when I was out trucking. Miscellaneous. Always could use a tarp though. Always keep a tarp. These two, this is good to use for when I need to reach, and this is good. And just some miscellaneous, you know. Yeah. This is falling down. So, I have to fix it somehow. But at least I got my saw, and then I'll cut my cross little parts on that. And then I got my little cutter. So I've got some things where I could kind of find it a little bit easy. I used this before, and it worked great. And I spread lime rock. But I'm not really the best when it comes to a lot of things. My neighbor's mowing. Yeah. Hi, neighbor. I think that's a new neighbor. Alright, so I got a mess here. But what else is new? Just keep cleaning. Just keep working. At least I can walk in here a little bit. So, okay.